Hi Wiley, this is Ethan. I'm just quickly going to record a video about the things that we're doing in class today. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to share Jamboards and talk about 5 questions related to wolves and sheep in terms of factors that maximized populations, growth rates, how one change led to other changes in either grass changing wolves and sheep or vice versa, whether wolves were R or K selected, and the same with sheep, and how we can apply this to humanity's population. My suggestion would be scrolling through the different Jamboards that may or may not be finished. Ooh, there are some that are finished, so that should be helpful. And then we'll be switching over to some thinking questions. You can just think about these. We'll have a quick discussion about them, and then we're going to be exploring the U.S. Census. So the U.S. Census is every 10 years, and it's where the United States accounts for demographic transitions in every county, state, town, and throughout the entire country. And the 2020 results were just published. So you're going to answer these 4 questions right here by using in Schoology this article right here called the Washington Post article, and I'll just quickly bring it up. This is the article that should help you answer those 4 questions. Afterwards, you are then going to define a specific data point from the U.S. Census that's related to age, race, income, and health, and explore some variations within it. So if you open the second link in Schoology called U.S. Census Data, it'll take you to this website right here where there's information about the United States in terms of the population, the age and sex, race, population characteristics, housing, education, wealth, and economy. And you're going to take one of these variables for each of the 4 categories. You're going to define it in terms of what you think it means. You're going to find examples across different states, towns, or counties, and then you're going to analyze what it means. So for example, I can go to the map, and I can go into Vermont. I'm going to just quickly keep scrolling in. And I can get demographic data about Vermont. And if I go to the table, I can then compare Vermont to the United States. So if you look, we have about the same percentage of females in our populations, but we have a significantly older population and a significantly less young people. So that's what you can do with that third section. You're going to define what the variable means. You only need to choose one, so I could do for population, maybe percent of young people, a number of females, etc., etc. And then finally, in the slideshow, you're then going to watch this TED Talk about does religion equal births? So I want you to answer these 3 questions first without watching the TED Talk, and then you're going to watch the TED Talk and answer these 3 questions when it comes to what makes this an effective presentation, how does the presenter use expectations to introduce new ones, and what is the role of technology and data in this presentation. You will be making a TED Talk for next week about populations, and I'm not going to go over the information right now because this is going to be tomorrow's async work, and I don't want to overwhelm you with too many things. But you will be getting a short video from me tomorrow about how you're going to start researching and getting information for you to do your TED Talk. So in a nutshell, look over the Jamboards, answer these questions, use the first Washington Post article to answer these 4 questions right here, use the U.S. Census data to answer and find examples of different data, and then take a look at this TED Talk. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. See you soon. I hope you're feeling better.